Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Gemini on your Samsung device. First, you'll need to download the Gemini application directly from the Google Play Store. Make sure your Samsung phone or tablet has its operating system updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Once installed, simply open the app and log in using your existing Google account to access all of Gemini's features. It's a straightforward process to get started. After installation, you'll be prompted to grant Gemini certain permissions, which are essential for its full functionality, such as accessing your microphone for voice commands. Take a moment to customize the settings within the app to tailor Gemini's behavior to your personal preferences. Once configured, you can immediately begin exploring the wide range of artificial intelligence capabilities that Gemini offers, from answering questions to generating creative content. Gemini makes interaction easy. You can use voice commands for a completely hands-free experience, just like you would with other virtual assistants. It's excellent for generating various forms of text, summarizing lengthy documents, or helping you brainstorm new ideas for projects. Furthermore, Gemini integrates seamlessly with other Google services, enhancing your productivity and making your digital life more connected and efficient across your Samsung device. To ensure you always have access to the latest enhancements and security updates, remember to keep your Gemini application updated through the Google Play Store. Regularly review your privacy settings within the app to maintain control over your data and how it's used. Also, for those looking for quality, check out the link in the description for Darn Tough Socks, which come with a lifetime warranty and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.